Alright, here we're going to take a look at the stock market game, which you need to do for your class. You need to get on the internet and you are going to go to www.howthemarketworks.com. And you get to this website here called How the Market Works, and this is where your game is set up. Before you can play the game, you have to sign up with How the Market Works. It is free. And so you will go into over here on the right hand side. It says My Account, sign up for free or log in. So once you have your login, you'll just go to login. Otherwise, you'll go here your first time and sign up for free. And your email is what you're going to use as your login name, and you choose your password, 5 to 20 letters. Repeat your password. Suggest what your age group is. And then you'll click down here where it says Register Me Now. Now, once you have registered, note that they're automatically giving you a virtual $25,000 worth of cash that you can practice with yourself. You also have the right to start your own stock market games for your friends or whatever. So you can do those things on your own. That is not actually part of the class. Okay, now, once you have signed up and you've logged in, there is up here at the top one that says Contests. You can also look here in the orange. It says Join a Contest. They have various places. You can go over here to the left where it says Stock Game. So there's various places you can go to get to the same place. So if you click on Contests, that's going to give you a variety of contests, and there's two different main types. Private contests like ours that's only for our class, and there's public contests that anybody can get on and practice and play against other people. You're more than welcome to join any of those that you want to play with. But ours, for our class that you have to do, is on this Classrooms and Private Group. So you would click on that. Now there's a lot of different even private contests, and so the best way, you can see there's 3,894 of them currently, okay? And so you're going to go in the search box and you're going to put ACC space 101-40. Okay, and that will bring up your contest. Okay, and you can click on the contest and it will show you various bits of information. So it shows you the description. This is a 3-week challenge with New York Stock Exchange stocks. So this is not including NASDAQ stocks or other stock exchanges. Only those stocks which are listed with the New York Stock Exchange, and only stocks. We're not doing bonds, mutual funds, or other things like that. And the stock has to cost at least $5 per share. So we're not doing things like penny stocks. Okay? This game starts on November 24th. So you will not be able to put in any trades until November 24th. It ends on December 13th. So that's the last day that you can put in a trade. And, excuse me, you are going to put in as many trades as you would like during that 3-week time period. I am suggesting that you have at least 3 trades in that time period. The more trades you have, the better chance you have of getting a feel for what this is all about. The last day that you can join up is November 29th. So that is the Saturday after. The first day that you can sign up is Monday, November 24th, and you have until Saturday to sign up. So if you mess up and you don't get signed up and you wait until December 12th and you say, oops, I was supposed to do the stock market game, well, it'll be too late. You need to sign up during that 1 week, and you have to make at least 3 trades during the time period between the time you sign up and December 13th. Okay, it's showing 1 contestant that's I've just signed myself up into it. Okay, and I cannot make a trade either until November 24th. Your starting virtual cash is $20,000. So you have a fake $20,000 to spend. You're going to have to pay attention to what some stocks cost. Most stocks cost less than $100 per share, so it won't be a problem. You can buy 100 shares and it not be a problem. But there are some stocks that cost actually, in fact, more than $20,000 for just 1 share. So you're not going to be able to buy those stocks. Okay, you don't have enough money. Okay, there is also this virtual commission. Every time you make a trade, $5 for the commission for making the trade is going to come out of your account, as well as however much it costs for those shares. $5 is probably not realistic. If you were to do actual trading with a broker, you would probably be paying more than $5. All right. Now, let me show you how to make a trade, and to do that I'm going to go into a different contest, one I have for a different class that is already started up. And so they're already, because I can't make a trade in yours yet until it is actually open. Alright, so I've gone into this other one, and I've come to the same page as we were on for the Accounting 101. This has slightly different parameters to it, but that's alright. And over here to the right, you see my account, and it says Trade Now. I'm going to click on Trade Now. Okay, looks like I need to sign back in. Okay, now it has taken me to where this game is in play, and it shows my account summary, and these are some of the things that I have bought and sold during the time of this game. Now I want to make a trade right now. I'm going to click on Trade Now. Here's in this number of shares box, you're going to put how many shares do you want to buy, and the symbol, the stock market symbol, and you can look up the stock market symbol. So if I want to trade in General Motors, I can put that in here. And it tells me there's 2. General Motors Company is GM, and then there's a General Motors C that's something else. And you can notice what exchange is it on. This is on the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. That's the one we want. Okay? And so you can click on that, and it will give you some information. Now here is a little chart that shows the stock price for General Motors and for today. And it has gone from over $32 all the way down to $31.90, and now it's climbing back up again past $32 again, but still not as high as what it started out with today. Okay? Now I can go back and click on Stock Game over here on the left, and I'll come back here and click on Trade Now. Okay, I want 100 shares, and I want GM. Click on Trade Now. Okay, are you sure you want to buy 100 shares of GM for an estimated total of $3,259? And in this game, it's a $25 commission instead of yours is $5. Okay, and yes, notice they're using real-time quotes. So they're looking at what GM is selling for on the New York Stock Exchange right now, and they're using that number to determine how much I have to pay. Yes, I want to make the trade, so I click on the green button. Alright, so here it's showing my order status. That I bought 100 shares of General Motors at $32.34. And it also shows another recently completed order that I did earlier where I bought some Burger King. Okay. Now you can go to Trading History. And these show, again, the two that I did today, but you can choose a range. Okay, if I choose the last 90 days, then this will show you various stocks that I've traded in. In this case, I have some that say short. That means that you're selling first and buying later. You want to do that if the stock price appears to be going down, has a downward trend, and you want to sell first while it's high, and you expect it to go further down, and you'll buy second. You can do that in the stock market. That's called short selling it, or shorting that stock. And you can do that with this game. If that seems a little complicated, you might not want to do that. You just buy first and sell later, and that's fine. Okay? Your account graph will give you a little picture. This shows me the last month and how my portfolio has done. Okay? And my ranking status. Here is the class that is doing this particular game. I'm ranked 3rd at the moment, and I hadn't really done much of anything, but okay. And let's see. Okay, and my account summary, which again just shows my various trades, the quantity that I had, what the price was when I first bought or sold that, what is the most recent price, and how the CHG is changed. So all these up arrows means that the price went up. Okay, this is the total dollar value that I have, and this is the gain or loss if it's got a minus sign. So those minus sign ones are ones where I did the wrong thing and I lost some money. Okay, and this is the percentage of gain or loss that I have done. So my biggest gain has been Apple. I bought 100 of Apple at $103.40, and the last known amount is $115.21. And so I have a gain of $1,181 in Apple stocks, and that's what's giving me a $928 overall gain for my portfolio, because I've got a bunch of other ones that haven't done as well. Alright, so notice when you get to your trading history one, and you're going to choose the range of, you'll probably need 30 days because yours is only a 3-week one. But at the on December 13th, on the last day, you'll go here and you'll do the last 30 days, and then you'll see this thing that says print this page, and you'll need to print that out. It also allows you to put it to a spreadsheet such as Excel, but you'll need to print this out, and you're going to be submitting that onto Campus Cruiser and using it to write up a little page paper. Once you are finished,